It's 4 in the morning and we're still awake. And we have to get up at 5:30. We made it. And we're here. Sorry, I cut your head off. And we're waiting now for a little over an hour. And then we can go.
Better be early than be late.
Take time, need to feel your flow, slow climb. I already know one touch, turn these tears to gold.
Okay. 14, oh geez, I can't even walk. 14 hours on a flight. It's a long friggin' time.
Take time, feel your flow, see the end goals. Tell me all you know, more stories, broken bones, but never leaving go. So
Morning. Why don't you tell the people what we're doing?
So, yeah, it's... Why don't you tell people? Camera away.
I got excited for my donut.
Fair. Video with my head cut off.
No.
It's pretty early, like right this second. And we wanted to go to the pharmacy to get her some contact solution. But the pharmacy we want to go to is closed. And right across the road is Dunkin' Donuts. So we're here getting nothing else. Breakfast was really good. And then
Yeah, that was good. I wouldn't say really good, it was good.
Not the best Filipino breakfast I've had.
But it was good.
But it was
good for our first,
good
breakfast.
for free breakfast with a hotel stay. And then my dad and my stepmom get here in about 5-6 hours. And then we're ready to get lunch with them. I don't know what the rest of the day holds for us.
I'm already sweaty.
It's nice.
Alright, time to donut. I'm so sweaty. It's a little warm. We are here in, I always say it wrong, Davao. Anyway, so we're gonna be hanging out here in the hotel for a little bit, cooling off a little bit, because it's a little warm. So, we're just hanging out. We get a little less sweaty. And yeah, we're here. We made it.
We made it.
Let the adventures begin. Don't look at me like I'm weird.
slow climb. I already know one touch, turn these tears to gold. So take time, feel your flow, see the end goals. Tell me all you know, more stories, broken bones, but never leaving go. So
How you feeling?
Sweaty.
Sweaty?
Got my mouth.
Huh? No. Well, it's hard. You have a big head.
I have a big head.
You do have a big head.
No, there is.
24 karat magic in the air. Alright, so the plan was this afternoon we were gonna, after we got lunch with Xavier's dad and stepmom, we were gonna go hang out with them later, but they probably crashed because they had like a 20 hours in the air to, 20 hours in the air, so they're probably sleeping now. So we're gonna run down to 7-Eleven and get some snacks and hang out. So yeah.
Hang out and have an editing party.
We've been doing that all day.
Editing party!
Editing party. And watch Cartoon Network because
We Are Bears is pretty funny.
Because we're children. Okay, so we're back from the store. We got some Swiss cheese flavored Lay's, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but Cashew seaweed flavored Lay's. Cuse. How do you think it's? Seaweed flavored chips. And we also got some water. And then a couple liters of Red Horse. So, we're gonna have a fun night.
It was fun.
So that's what we did today. Not terribly exciting, but pretty good for like first day, being in a new country, being a little lazy, eating a lot of food, so. And drinking a little, like a liter of beer, totally fine, you know. That's it for today. The next one will be a lot more exciting, hopefully. Maybe water will be involved, maybe not. We'll see. Okay, thanks, bye. Shut up.